everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
You monster.
And today we have RIO Punch Juice plus Energy Monster.
Monstrous.
That's a RIO Punch, inspired by Brazil. We got ourselves 2% juice in the can, 140 calories in the important factoids. We got 180 milligrams of sodium, 36 grams of carbohydrate, 33 grams of sugar. I expect this one to be very sweet and smooth. We got ourselves 250% of B2, 250% of B3, 240% of B6, and 490% of B12. And there are 160 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. Ooh.
Right, Rod.
Yep.
And how much calories get up here?
Yeah. It's 140.
Oh.
Yep, so you can see right there, you got very, very pretty can design. Very inspired by Brazil, so that's pretty cool. Yep, so looks cool. Take a sip. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa, wow. When they said RIO Punch, they weren't kidding. That is good.
That's amazing. But it's far enough from your typical fruity punch where it's it doesn't taste like, you know, kid medicine.
Well, that's excellent.
Nice.
Wow.
Syrupy, but not a crazy syrup taste.
Right. And very, very smooth, but it's got a little bite to it. Wow. That is
I like that one.
only 140 calories in that, and that's one serving. Hey, I will go and pick that one up and have that a few more times because that's good. Wow.
I'm impressed.
That is a beautiful blender. Yeah, well, they definitely used the blend to get all the flavors. Let me see here. I think it's got...
I'm a fan.
70% of all fruits, so they... Oh, you know what it tastes like? It almost tastes like a fruitcake. It almost has a fruitcake, because that's what Brazil's famous for, is making fruitcakes.
Oh,
because they got so much fruit, it's almost got a fruitcake taste to it.
That's cool, like them stupid things.
Yeah.
Last time. That's cool.
Man. And I think this is supposed to have real sugar cane in it, maybe, or at least, maybe.
Well, if you want to be authentic,
Yeah.
it should.
I'm not sure about that. Don't quote me on that, but I think it might. But anyways, that is really good. That is a go pick up. If you haven't tried it, you need to go try it and find it because that is good stuff. So Monster Energy Juice RIO Punch.
Preferably as fast
as you can before they're gone because it's a summer limited flavor. So that is really good. So alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. That is good. That is a SRT 392. Go pick up and drink multiple times. It's been a while, yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.